I feel like an Oompa Loompa, honestly. But today, I'm outside again, and we're going to talk about these. Or is it these we're going to be talking about? Baby, it's cold outside. Hello. The mittens did multiply here. They multiplied by 4. So this was skein number 1. And if you remember, skein number 1 had more definitive colors per the round of repeat, whereas skein number 2 had very little white in it. But let's talk about skein number 1 and the fingerless gloves I created out of it. Skein number 1, I started at the same point in time, so I can create the diagonal pattern effect in the mittens, but it stopped right as I was adding the thumb because I was adding more stitches essentially, so I was disrupting the pattern. So that's why I keep telling everyone that you are essentially the designer when it comes to your hand-dyed and hand-painted yarns. So what's up with skein number 2? Skein number 2, the real question is, if you can see this, is does the dye lot really even matter in your hand painted? I think not in this case, because skein 1 is much lighter than skein 2. And as you can tell, in skein 2 I did not start these at the same point in time, and you can see the color patterning is different. But you can always create the same patterning if you know your color repeat, how many stitches you use per round, figure out what you're going to make, and you can create a pleasing pattern out of your colors just by knowing that. So again, I don't think the dye lot really matters for this yarn that we were using, or I was using to showcase this, but like I said, you are the designer when it comes to making stuff just by knowing how many stitches you use per the round of color repeat. I hope this helps. So you may be wondering, what am I going to do with the rest of that yarn? I know you're tired of seeing it. Oops, I almost slipped. I might ply it together to create another hat. Of course, this one's like a little too big for me. I have such a tiny hat, I don't know. I was jilted at birth. So there you have it. If you like this and you want to see more, click the like, subscribe. I guess smash the bell if you like it, even better. Yeah, I'm going to try to get off this hill and past this roadblock. We'll see you in the next one.